Hello everyone. Today we discuss about cell wall structure and function. What is cell wall? The cell wall is the tough, usually flexible, but sometimes fairly rigid layer that surrounds some types of cells. It is located outside the cell membrane and provides these cells with structural support and protection, and also act as a filtering mechanism. A major function of the cell wall is to act as a pressure wall, preventing overexpansion when water enters into the cell. They are found in plants, bacteria, fungi, algae and some archaea. Animals and protozoa do not have cell walls, as they contain cell coat outside the plasma membrane. Cell wall layers. There are three strata may be found in plant cell wall. The middle lamella, a layer rich in pectins, consists of calcium and magnesium pectate or a cementing wall. This outermost layer forming the interface between two adjacent plant cells and glues them together. The primary cell wall, generally thin, flexible and extensible layer formed while the cell is growing and consists of cellulose and hemicellulose. The secondary cell wall, a thick layer formed inside the primary cell wall towards plasma membrane after the cell wall is fully grown. It is not found in all cell types, in some cells such as xylem and the phloem. In xylem, the secondary cell wall contains lignin, which it strengthens and waterproofs the cell wall. This is the graphical presentation of three-layer cell wall. Composition. In the primary cell wall, the major carbohydrates are cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. Cellulose and hemicellulose microfibrils are linked to each other that is to form the cellulose hemicellulose network embedded in the pectin matrix. The outer part of the primary cell wall usually impregnated with cutin and wax, forming a permeable barrier known as the plant cuticle. The major polymers that make up wood include cellulose 35 to 50%, xylase 20 to 35%, a type of hemicellulose and lignins 10 to 25%. A complex phenolic polymer that penetrates the spaces in cell wall between cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin components, driving out water and strengthening the wall. Structural proteins, that is 1 to 5%, also found in most plant cell wall as HRGP, AGP, GRPS and PRPS. Formation of cell wall. The cells are held together and share the gelatinous membrane called the middle lamella, which contains magnesium and calcium pectates. It formed from the cell plate during cytokinesis, and the primary cell wall is then deposited inside the middle lamella. Primary cell wall defined as composed of cellulose microfibrils aligned at all angles. Microfibrils are held together by hydrogen bonds to provide a high tensile strength. In some cells, after a maximum growth achieved, a secondary cell wall is constructed between the plant cell and primary cell wall. Cells with secondary cell wall is rigid. Cell communication occurs through pits. Functions of cell wall. Cell wall act as Exoskeleton of a cell. Cell wall provides mechanical strength. It provides security to cell and tissues. It provides storage deposits. It provides cell communication and different types of protection to cells. Thanks.